Today we are learning about Komodo dragons, giant reptiles, written by Curtis Thomas. Komodo dragons, giant reptiles. Our question for this book is, what makes the Komodo dragon an interesting reptile? So as we're reading, I want you to be thinking about that question. What makes the Komodo dragon an interesting reptile? Here's our table of contents. The sections in the book are very big lizards, ready for a fight, hot home, mealtime, on the hunt, baby dragons, jumbo lizards, and the glossary. How big is it? Very big lizards. Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards in the world. Lizards are reptiles. Snakes, turtles, and alligators are also reptiles. So here's a human, height 6 feet, weight 176 pounds. A Komodo dragon can be 10 feet and also weigh 176 pounds. Komodo dragons can be as long as 2 big bathtubs. They are good hunters with sharp teeth and claws. This is down here. Komodo dragons live in areas with patches of shade. Ready for a fight. Komodo dragons have long, strong bodies. They use their teeth and claws to get food. They also use their teeth and claws to fight other dragons. Komodo dragons have hard plates on their bodies. The plates protect them. The bony plates in a dragon's skin make it feel rough. So I bet if you touched a Komodo dragon, it would feel kind of bumpy, not smooth. What makes a Komodo dragon a reptile? A Komodo dragon has rough black or yellow-gray skin with bony plates. A Komodo dragon has about 60 sharp teeth for tearing flesh. A Komodo dragon has a forked tongue, so it kind of splits into 2 at the end. A Komodo dragon has long, curved claws. A Komodo dragon has a long tail with strong muscles. All reptiles have a backbone, have scales or bony plates, and breathe with lungs. Most reptiles, not all, but most, lay eggs and are cold-blooded. Wild Komodo dragons only live in Asia. They live in forests. So in the blue parts are where they live. The forests can have very hot weather. Komodo dragons stay cool in burrows. Oh, burrows. We know other animals that like to live in burrows too. Mealtime. Komodo dragons only eat meat. Their favorite foods are deer, wild pigs, and water buffalo. They also eat young dragons. So here's a wild pig, a Timor deer, and a water buffalo. On the hunt. Komodo dragons wait for an animal to pass by. Then they attack with their teeth and claws. The hurt animal runs away and dies. Then the dragons use their tongues to find the dead animal. Baby dragons. Baby dragons are a little longer than a ruler when they hatch. Female Komodo dragons lay many eggs in a nest in the ground. Oh, we know another reptile that lays eggs in the ground. Can you think of that reptile? They protect the eggs from other animals. The eggs hatch in 6 to 9 months. Young dragons in trees eat insects and geckos. Baby Komodo dragons climb trees to stay safe from adult dragons. They stay there for 2 years or longer. Male dragons can live to the age of 60. Female dragons live about half as long. They could be 60 years old. Jumbo lizards. Komodo dragons are special. They are very strong reptiles. They are the biggest lizards in the world. In this picture, a Komodo dragon hunts for its next meal. Here's the glossary. These are the words that we learned. Attack, to act in a harmful way toward another. Burrows. Remember, other animals that we know of live in burrows. I want you to think about which animals live in burrows. Burrows are holes dug in the ground by an animal for use as a home. Hatch, to break open, as when a bird breaks out of an egg. What other things hatch? Hunters, people or other animals that get food by killing other animals. Plates, hard, often flat body parts that cover an animal's body and protect it from harm. Reptiles, cold-blooded animals that have backbones and are covered with scales or plates. Words to know: attack, burrows, hatch, hunters, plates, and reptiles. Okay, hope you enjoyed. So now I want you to write one thing that you learned about Komodo dragons. And I want you to also think what animals also live in burrows and what animals also lay eggs. Okay, can't wait to see what you do.